Hello everybody. I'm sorry for like the white cast going on. I'm sat here playing with Ender and I cannot seem to find good lighting. I've like fooled with the curtains, I've tried to close them as much as possible, but like if the camera's over here, I'm just like terribly washed out. So we're gonna try this over here, like right there. Yeah, he's just sitting here. Oh, it's like, what are you doing, Mom? What are you doing, Mom? I had him laying down, but he was fussing a lot, so he's sitting in my lap now. Ugh. Okay, you're being difficult. You're being difficult. He's like, why is the camera not on me and just me? Who's that? You gotta do something. He wants to be on camera, but he doesn't really have anything for us. Nothing special today. I'm sure I'll record some more of him being cute. He keeps looking up at the camera, which is really funny to me at least. So I am going to feed him in a little while, and then we're gonna go out to the mall and go for a walk. I was really hoping this fall that that we'd get to go out for some more walks, and we went from hot to cold overnight. I don't know what happened. Fall did not happen, that's for sure. So I'm thinking maybe go to the mall. I think maybe try to make a habit of doing that every couple of weeks, or maybe every few weeks. Do it once in a while. So I'm gonna do that. Not gonna buy much of anything. I have like my cow calendar card from Chick-fil-A to redeem. I don't know if anybody else uses those. They're not doing them next year. I am very disappointed in Chick-fil-A. So anyways, I think it's a fry and a soda or a drink this month. So I'm gonna redeem that. So I'm gonna redeem that, and I think I have a coupon for a free hand lotion at Bath & Body Works. So I'm gonna get that as well, or I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to just get that without buying all of the fall and Christmas candles and soaps while I'm there. Because I really shouldn't be buying any of that, because I don't need any of it, but I want it. So hopefully I just get like a fall or Christmas scented. That will satisfy me. So that's my plan. Not much going on today. But I've been wanting to pick up the camera and I haven't, so I'm gonna make myself do it today, even if it's a very short vlog. Because it needs to be short, because I don't have time to edit. Because who wants to edit when you've got this guy to hang out with? You want to say hi? Yeah, I was playing with my toy. I was playing with my toy, Mom. Nummy, nummy. So much for vlogging inside the mall. I started to pull out the camera and I was gonna vlog, and then I realized I had walked the wrong way, and I was like, just put the camera down, Liz, just put it away. It's not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. This mall is like dead all the time. And coming here Tuesday at like 2, 3 o'clock, it's extra dead. But I didn't get anything at Bath & Body Works. The coupon that I was talking about for the free soap, or not free soap, hand lotion, expired 2 days ago. So I didn't get that. Not that it was a big deal. I didn't like have to have it or anything. So I didn't get that. He might be waking up. But I did go to Chick-fil-A to get a large fry and a large drink on my cow calendar card for October. And then I just bought a thing of nuggets. Whoa, real exciting stuff. And now I'm gonna head home because he's gonna need to eat soon. He's gonna wake up and be hungry soon. He's taking an extremely long nap because he's been asleep since I got in the car, and I got in the car about an hour and a half ago before I got to the mall. He was asleep the whole time I was in the mall. I haven't been sitting here for an hour and a half. That would be really bad, really sad. Anyways, I'm gonna go home. And maybe he'll wake up and maybe I'll play with him for a few minutes and then feed him, something like that. maybe. I am just not good at vlogging in public. I don't know if I'll ever be good at that. I am not confident enough to do it. I feel like if I had somebody else with me, maybe I would feel a little bit better, but doing it by myself with him is just overwhelming right now. Yeah, it's just a little bit overwhelming when I'm trying to like pay attention to him and, I don't know, look over my shoulder kind of situation, you know, not that I'm like in a shady area or anything, but just trying to be cautious. I've got like a little mom bun peacock thing going on. The way it's like going. I wish it was more perkier, but no. Aww. Aww, I just stuck my finger in it and messed it up. Now this kid's gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. Maybe he didn't see me. Let's pretend like he didn't see me. Anyways, I tried to do the bun, but it really just, you know, it's kind of sad today. I think I need to get the tripod out. I just don't know where to hold the camera. I'm just like, and I'm not the most comfortable place to put my hand. I'm really bright right now. And I'm gonna go out into the porch and be even brighter, I guess. Oh, it'll readjust, okay. We're home, and I'm gonna come out here and I was gonna turn the heater on, but it's kind of warm. Maybe not. Maybe is it just me warm? No, it's pretty warm out here. I don't think I'm gonna turn the heater on yet. Yeah, I'm gonna, I guess, give him a minute to wait until he wakes up or something. Or I'm gonna wake him up. I went to the bathroom. He's still sitting in the car seat, which I don't leave him in that for very long. But I was over there like putting my purse down and stuff, and I looked over and his eyes were open. I was like, hello? And then I went over to him and he just kind of went, okay, good night. So yeah, he's asleep right now. On my drive, I am not letting her out. Oh my gosh. That dog is so needy, you guys, so needy. Anyways, I almost had a car accident, and I'm like, I need somebody to talk to about it, but I would have an extremely hard time explaining the road to you. So I don't think it's worth it trying to explain it, but I'm just baffled as to why we almost had an accident. Because I don't know what I did wrong to then prompt this chick to drive in my lane, going the wrong way. We almost had a head-on collision. And I'm not sure why she was in my lane, honking her horn at me. I'm not sure what possessed her to get into my lane. I almost think that she, just like blinded myself. I almost think she thought I was driving on the wrong side of the road and didn't realize I was turning onto her road, that road. I'm still just baffled. So when Greg gets home, I'm gonna have to explain it and see what he thinks, because I'm just confused. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know if she's just a little cuckoo. I'm not really sure. All right, so I let the dog out because she's annoying, and I put her right back in her crate. I can't, she's not out when I'm feeding him, because I can't be getting up every 5 minutes. This kid is so stinky. He's just pooting away. I can't be letting her out every 5 minutes to go to the bathroom when I'm feeding him. Not gonna work. So I just laid him down on a blanket on the floor so he can stretch. Are you stretching, Mr. Man? Yeah. Got your little jeans on and your little socksies. But it's hot out here. I turned the fan on. Oh, big stretch. Why am I awake, Mom? Why am I awake and feed me? Yeah. And I'm on the wrong side, okay. He only rolls to the right. I think he just pooted again. You're pooting an awful lot. Look at these toes. Doesn't get any cuter than that. Oh, Nope, not allowed to look at them. He's like, no, they my toes. I'm playing with them, mama. I'm playing with them, mom. I want to show you guys a purse that I'm thinking about getting. If you did not already know, there are, oh, I guess there's 3 owl prints at Vera Bradley. So there's a holiday owl pattern. I love owls, by the way, if you didn't already know that. If you didn't know that, you haven't been here very long. There's a holiday owl print, which is super cute, but I can't justify buying a purse that I'm going to use only part of the year, because they have like Santa hats on. It is cute, but I just can't do that in my life. So then there's also an owl print. It's named just owl. Just the word owl, not holiday owl or anything like that. But I don't know if I like it enough to get it. It's the iconic RFID, which I think has to do with like, you can't like walk by, somebody can't walk by and like scan your credit cards while they're in there. The all-in-one crossbody. Okay, so that's it right there. And then this strap is gonna get in the way. So that's the whole thing. And then that's the inside. So it's basically like a wallet, pretty much. I just saw it today. Just saw the owl prints today. And I don't know, for some reason I'm just like seriously considering that one in particular, because I need like a mom bag. Do you have a mom bag that you love? I need something like, I think that's small and just carries the essentials, something that I can like carry around with the diaper bag, or something that I can easily put in the diaper bag. But that doesn't really, that thing doesn't really hold my keys. He has spun himself completely around. His feet are off the blanket now. What are you doing? Oh, he's too cute. What are you doing? How'd you get over there? He's probably thinking, why'd you move over there, Mom? So anyways, that purse really would carry whatever's in my wallet, and I think it would fit my phone, and that's about it. He's looking at me again. He's like, who are you talking to, Mom? And obviously my keys wouldn't fit in there, so I don't really know how practical it is. I kind of just want it for the print. But that bag that I just showed you is like $64. That's a lot of money for like a big wallet that goes on your shoulder. So I don't know if I really want to get it or not. But then the other side of me is like, the other part of me is like, I could probably get to a store that might have it on like Thursday and pick it up. Calm down, you just saw it today. Oh my gosh, I have problems. But I have been thinking about getting a new purse. That's why I'm kind of like seriously considering it. But I'm not sure it's the right thing for me. He's trying so hard to see me. I'm like trying to see what's in the background. A mess. That's my pillow, my boppy, water bottle, lots of water. That's the radiator heater. I haven't turned it on yet, but I told Greg to bring it upstairs just in case. The heater that I was going to turn on is the little, Are you done? He's like, who, me? What, huh? Is the, we have like a fireplace TV stand type of thing. That's what I've been turning on. It's much more enjoyable than a radiator heater. Let me know what your thoughts are about that purse. I may have already bought it by the time you're watching this. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can hear him pooting. Because if you can't, you probably just think I'm crazy. He has not rolled from his back to his stomach, you guys. But he has rolled from his stomach to his back once. I don't know if that was last week or the week before. It's been a little while. He hasn't done it since. He hates being on his stomach. So he doesn't get on it very much. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh my. Are you trying to tell me you're hungry? Say, yes, Mama is hungry. Sticking your tongue out? Yeah, you're hungry. He's hungry. I just gotta make sure you're awake. Cause you'll fall right back asleep. Boo. I'm gonna flip it up so he can see himself, but then I probably won't have him in the frame. Who's that? Who's that? Is that under? Oh, you got the hair. Hi. Oh, don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. That's gross. Hi. Hi, honey. Okay, bye. I'm gonna get you. He's like, Mom, I know you're recording me. Who is that? Who is that cutie? It's you? Oh goodness. Oh goodness. He's being a little difficult today. Daisy is a whole different level of difficult. If you can't hear her barking right now, she's really getting my nerves. So yeah, he's just been difficult today. He's been a little grumpy, a little hard to satisfy, a little hard to please today. And Daisy has been out of her crate plenty of times today, but like I said, I just can't leave her out when I'm feeding him because she'd want to go out into the yard like every 5-10 minutes, and I can't be constantly getting up from feeding him to let her out. And if I don't let her out, she goes to the bathroom in the house. So all right, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I doubt much more is going to happen. Every evening Greg gets home from work. Well, he doesn't go to work every day, obviously, but when he gets home from work, we do dinner. I feed him again, and I get ready for bed. Then I get Ender ready for bed, and then I feed him again, and then we all go to bed. Well, at least me and Ender go to sleep, and then Greg normally goes to sleep shortly after that. So that's what I'm gearing up to do. I hate that you can't see my hair unless I'm like talking to you like this. He wants to be part of the vlog. So does Daisy. So anyways, that was a pretty boring vlog. Sorry. Maybe at some point they'll get really exciting. I don't know. Maybe not. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon, hopefully again in a couple of weeks. I think that's kind of where I am, like every 2, maybe 3, 4 weeks. We'll see how long this takes me to upload. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys later. Oh, you know what, one more thing. I'm not sure how that conversation went about that almost car accident that I had, but I probably shouldn't have even tried to bring it up without being able to explain the road situation. But I also think I probably shouldn't have been talking about it when I was like super worked up about it. So I was pretty irritated. Whatever, I gotta go. This dog's getting my nerves. All right, bye. What is going on? Okay, that's something, right? It's at least something. Oh, we got our toes. We got our toes.